Control point set, log it.
Benchmark matches plan.
Start borehole A3.
Clay layer at 8 meters.
Keep it inside the fence line. Cut 10 centimeters here. Widen that bend for trailers.
Truck arriving. Gate clear, bring the next load.
No digging past the red marks. Truck in, steady, steady.
Install ladders every 25 feet.
Plummet before we lock.
Keep hoses ramped, no trip hazards.
Confirm pile P12, proceed. Line's tight. Plates aligned, hold position.
Stop at the chalk line, then move. Overlap meets spec, seal that corner. Compact in 200 millimeter lifts.
Keep the shaft opening clean.
Anchor channel at mark, don't shift.
Slow at the corners, full consolidation.
Elevation good.
Clean those embeds before set.
Pin seated, release the jacks. Plumb within tolerance, next lift okay.
I got that one.
Couple of row done. Header square, measure twice.
Hold at the mark, then shift bay.
Mark repairs, no one enters shaft zone.
Swing clear, set on the pins.
Check the core opening, no debris.
Shaft covers secured, tag and date.
Check the full length.
Penetration sealed, prep for flood test.
Keep ducts off controller clear zone.
Maintain bend radius, no kinks.
Crate ID, machine set 1.
Lower 2 inches, hold, hold.
Inspect sheave, no nicks allowed.
Level within ½ millimeter, lock it. Lockout confirmed. Proceed with alignment. Spacing correct. Torque and mark.
Joint flush, tighten in sequence. Platform locked, verify pins.
Label every floor. No missing tags. Bearing smooth. Tag it approved.
No twist, keep it parallel.
Tension matched. Lock the clamps.
Verify parts, no mix-ups today. Frame kit complete. Square it, match the diagonal numbers.
Hands clear. Radio confirmation.
Lock the nuts. Paint mark each one.
Gap correct, torque to spec. Center it, clear both rails.
Counterweight frame ready.
Retainers installed. No loose plates.
Clear below, lower at half speed.
No sharp bends, keep the sweep. Clamp set.
Header level, match the sill datum. Reveal uniform. Lock the anchors.
Thanks, Jeff. Full car.
Smooth travel, no rubbing sounds.
6-3, no gun.
Call station conduit at standard height.
Sheet up. Screw pattern tight, no pops.
Feather the joints. Keep edges clean.
Mask tight, no primer on frames.
Test complete.
Even coat, no holidays on corners. Line snapped.
Threshold flush, no trip lip.
Lights on test.
Emergency circuit labeled. Test again. Height good. Power up the indicator.
Test mode active. Clear the hoistway.
Car moving.
Smooth run, listen at the joints.
All stations confirm. Ready for speed.
Speed stable. Hold for 10 seconds. Brake engaged. Record stopping distance.
Door noise noted. Adjust rollers.
Really?
Guards installed. Close and tag panels.
Room ready.
Recall works. Document the result.
Steden.
Routine checks. Brakes, ropes, logs. First ride, system's normal.
Ride quality confirmed. Handover complete.
Subscribe, like, and share.